My attitude has an attitude, so can't even control it. Guys, I don't know what the hell this hair is doing to me. Anyways, let's press play.
Do it, man, I put work in the streets like this. Slap on a tap with smoke, man better pray that the boy lives. Like course I did, came with a shh and a guy got hit. And if he ain't worth the call, then man will get beat like T. Beat his ass. Oh that's rude, I know. AM and Skeng don't link up, so man better catch the flow. Like them man try come round, then we went back like a merry-go.
Hey people, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Gina, G-O-A, Gawa, G-Money, G whatever, G everything. Oh yeah, and also say hi to Cherry, of course. So I don't know the structure of this video because guys, I dyed my hair, like properly dyed my hair like now, because if you know me and you know every other hairstyle that I've had, I've been playing it safe. So I've gone from having every single hairstyle in black to trying to make them like blonde, but like my blonde is like brown, kind of like a caramel type of color. It's like, you know what, I want to go for burgundy, dark burgundy. This hair could have taken me 15 minutes. However, I like to take my time with everything. So on average, it took me like, when did I start bleaching? I don't know. It took me like an hour, let's say, altogether in terms of time I was spending on my hair. But it could have taken me like 10-15 minutes. Guys, I used water. I didn't dye my hair, so, well, I did dye my hair, but I didn't actually like dye my hair. I'm gonna tell you how I did it, like the whole process, and then we can come back to me to talk to you about the hair like after. Yeah, cool. Okay, yeah, okay, bye. So instead of taking time out to show you the videos of me doing it and that taking an extra 5 minutes of your time, guys, just listen to these 4 basic steps that you need to take in order to achieve the color that you want. So 1, you need to bleach your hair. If you haven't seen a video on how to bleach hair, I'm going to link a card above which you can click on and it will show you exactly how to bleach hair and what bleach you need to get. I used a 40 volume developer and the True Lights True Zone bleach, and just put that on my hair and let it sit there for 25 minutes. Of course, then washing the bleach out of my hair. 2, you can either choose to boil hot water in a kettle or boil water in a pot. That is completely up to you. 3, take the bottle of dye, the color that you please, and gradually start adding the dye to the hot water. If it's in the hot water that you've just taken out of the kettle, then you might want to do it quickly so that you're able to put your hair in it as soon as possible. If the water is boiling, then you can take as much time as you want. Gradually put in the dye until you see the color that you think you would like, and then you leave it there. For my hair, in order to achieve this color, I put a whole bottle of the Adore Intense Red. And step number 4, dunk your hair in it. Just dunk like you're dunking donuts, like dunk like you're dunking your Oreos, like dunk like you dunking basketball. Just dunk your hair in there and leave it for as much time as you want. Okay, so basically that's how I dyed my hair. I literally took my hair out within like 2 minutes. Like instantly when I dipped it in and took it back out, I was like, oh my days, it's red. But then I was like, you know what, let me leave it in there. And from the videos that I had watched before, some people left it in for like 30 minutes. Some people left it in for like an hour. Some people, however, left it in for like 2 seconds. Like they dipped it in, dipped it out. So, not dipped it out, took it out. So I was just like, let me just see in terms of like the color. And I took it out and I was like, whoa, this is red. Like this is not even burgundy. And I got so scared because I don't know, me and colors, like especially a whole head, like even look, this is how you know I was scared, because even then I still left roots just in case. But either way, the color came out. Like I was contemplating on getting more like a darker dye so that I could do it the next day, just dip this in the darker one and then it will come out with the burgundy color, which I might still do. However, I really do like this color. Yeah, so overall in terms of the color, I'm gonna give it a let's say 8 out of 10, because I do like it, but I can't wear it everywhere. Because also, if you know me, I like to match my outfits, hence why I'm wearing something with like red on it today to go with cherry, obviously. But yeah, I can't wear it everywhere. That would be like one con already, because I feel like it's so bright. So I'm just gonna like give you all the details of the hair now, because I'm pretty sure like you want to know. So this unit I made by myself. However, I did get hair once again from Longqi hair. Every time I get hair from them, they're long, so maybe next time it'll be short. But it was just a natural 1B like black color, and I have actually taken snaps where I've been wearing the hair before, so I might insert that like here, I don't know, somewhere here. But the hair was really silky. It was just really nice hair. It was 3 bundles of 26 inches and a closure. I don't actually remember the measurement of the closure, but it was something close, like 24 or 22. I'm just gonna put all the details like on the screen as usual. So this was straight Peruvian hair, which I'm happy that I tried, because I don't know if I like the density of Peruvian hair and if I would want to use it for something else as opposed to like really long hair. But overall I do like it. It is quite sleek. There is absolutely no shedding. Even now after I've dyed it, there's no shedding. Overall I like the hair. Like as you can see, it took well to bleach in, it took well to the dye as well. I would say the only thing is like it doesn't move as much as it used to. I still need to straighten it properly and like condition it, because I never really got a chance to condition it that much. So I don't know, like it moves, but if you knew what the hair was like before, you would know that it doesn't move. So that would be like literally my only con. And also the fact that when you put hairbands in it, it kinks after, so it's annoying, because if you just wanted to put a hairband in quickly to do something quickly and then take it out and have silky straight hair, it's gonna have one like long like line across the hair. Like that would actually, those two would actually be my only cons, and to me that just sounds like me being petty. But I have actually like posted this hair on my Instagram and my Snapchat, so if you guys don't follow that, I'm gonna place my Instagram here, my Snapchat here, and my Twitter here, so make sure you follow that up and just check, because that's where I'll be putting all my updates and that's where I'll be putting all the polls to name the hair. So this one was cherry. Anyway guys, that's it from me. I hope you do enjoy this video. Before I do go, remember the glasses that were giving me an attitude. If you guys would like an attitude too, then these are from Inside Out, guys. I'm gonna put the link below, guys. You should check them out. And I've also got a discount code Ginaobi, so make sure you grab yourself one of these. These are good for bummy days, they're good for dressing up days, they're good for they're just good for everything. Like I literally take them everywhere with me just in case. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Do it, man, I put work in the streets like Stiz. Slap on a tap with smoke, man better pray that the boy lives. Like course I did, came with a and a guy got hit. And if he ain't worth the call, then man will get beat like T. Beat his ass. Oh that's rude, I know. AM and Skeng don't link up, so man better catch the flow. Like them man try come round.